So remember in my previous video, we actually reclaimed some soul using the POOT soul reclaimer. So in this video, I am going to be buying more POOT with the soul I reclaimed. Now, first off, when you want to buy POOT, you need the contact address. So you're just going to come on the POOT official Telegram and type CA. When I type CA, Rose, the bot that actually helps in moderating, will reply with the token's contact address. So you copy the text. So I usually prefer to use BonkBot for all my Solana transactions. So I'm just going to go to BonkBot right now. So once at BonkBot, I'm just going to paste the contact address and the POOT token details will actually show. So I'm actually going to click buy XO and buy with 0.01. So sending. Beautiful. I have successfully bought 17,000 POOT. So that is exactly how simple it is to buy POOT. Thank you very much for watching this video. I still remain Yaks Republic.